Hey y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. Second, inside the dressing room in a row. Who am I, right? So today we are going to RUE21 because not long ago, I believe it was my Stitch Fix video maybe, someone in the comments put a direct link to a RUE21 plus size cropped super cute top because I'm pretty sure I'd ended up keeping a white crop top from Stitch Fix and it was like 40 bucks. So I didn't get it online, but I figured we'd go into store and see what we can find. RUE21 has really cute, trendy items for very affordable prices. So I feel like it's a good spot to go for these type of things. So RUE21 is our mission today. It is a little bit further from my house again, similar to Old Navy. It's probably about 20 minutes. So while we drive, I want to cut to another part of this video that is sponsored by a company called Causebox. I just got my very first summer box in. It's a seasonal box. So I'll explain it all in the next clip. So I am very excited for this portion of the video. It is sponsored by Causebox. If you're not familiar with Causebox, it is a seasonally subscription box for women. Yes, so what's different about this one and what caught my eye versus every other box that pops up in my inbox or sponsored posts on social media is Causebox works with companies who give back. And it's most likely handmade things, and there's always a story to tell with each item in here. So I am going to unbox this with you. I haven't peeked in this. However, I did go to the website and look in all of the past boxes just to get an idea of some of the items that you can receive. But this one, I thought it would be fun if we opened it together. Okay, so before we open it, I do have a discount code. It will get you 20% off your very first box. Causebox, like I said, is a seasonal box. It's $49.95 each season. Of course, they do you can pay per quarter or year, that sort of thing if you want to. But I'll put that discount code here on the screen. I'll also put it in the description box as well as a link to Causebox. That way, if you're interested, then you can get it. So this is what it looks like when I open the box, a cute little magazine. I do know that this box, their summer box, I believe, yes, summer 2019 box is valued at over 300 bucks. Okay, so the very first thing that I'm pulling out feels like an envelope type clutch. This is valued at $120. It says an exclusively designed and farm sanctuary approved vegan leather portfolio clutch, stylishly designed for work and play. There are 3 colors to choose from if you are a member. The next thing I see is this You Are My Sunshine really pretty necklace. It's from Marina de Bucci. It retails for 39 bucks. They have this gold sun and then they also have a silver moon. It says proceeds support the effort to abolish human trafficking through charity partner the A21 campaign. Okay, I'm excited for this one. I've been seeing almost everybody on social media recently with one of these. It's Luna Nectar is the brand, and it's one of those face roller thingies. Okay, look how pretty. I don't even know how to use this. I don't even know what to do with it, but it's so pretty. Do you just rub it like that? Oh, it feels nice. It does feel nice. All right, so this is called the Metamorphic Jade Roller. Retails for 25 bucks. It says it encourages deeper absorption of moisturizers and it rejuvenates tones and massages tired facial muscles. Next thing is the Reduce Everyday Insulated Tumbler. Retails for 13 bucks. I have the white one. It says that members can choose between a couple of different colors. It looks like they have a navy one as well. These, we use these a lot in my house just because it keeps things super cool in the summertime when we go out and sit at the pool and that kind of stuff. So this white one, oh, it has a little hole for your for your drink to come out. It says it is shatterproof and vacuum insulated, 12 hours cold. Okay, this one I saw in my box. I have no idea what this is. It is made for good. Oh, it's a plant hanger. So this is very different. Let me find the picture on here and show you what it looks like, because this is cool. Okay, it's called the All True Macrame Plant Hanger. It would actually go perfect in this room, behind me. Retails for 15 bucks. It says this gorgeous and versatile pot and plant hanger can also hold a fruit bowl in your kitchen. Proceeds from this product were used to plant 8,000 trees in parts of California that were damaged by recent wildfires. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in this box. I believe this next stuff is nail polish. I've been looking at this on the website while scrolling through talking about other things. I'm looking, I'm always trying to like beef up my nail polish collection. Like I go to the nail salon probably once a month, so not that often, but I'm looking to like get a cute little hanger for my nail polish and like set it all up and stuff. All right, so this is the brand Zoya. It retails for 30 bucks. This one is Buff Protector. This one is Purity, and then this one is Mia. So there we go, those colors. I've never tried anything from this Zoya brand. This one says Naked Manicure. So let me know if you've tried this brand, what you think about it. Next thing we have is Klei, K-L-E-I. It says Coconut Milk and Chamomile Nourish Pink Clay Mask. I've been wanting to try one of these for so long. Let's see if it does have a little cap on it. So this retails for $38. It says it is 100% natural, cruelty-free, and made in the USA. It says it's a gentle, clarifying mask that works to soften and soothe any skin type using a calming blend of French rose clay, coconut milk, and chamomile. It's powder. I wonder how it works. Mix 1 teaspoon of clay powder gradually with water until a paste is formed. Apply to face after cleansing. Avoid the eye and mouth area once dry. Rinse with warm water. We may try this tonight. Okay, next big thing I see in there is a Turkish towel. 100% organic cotton. I don't want to take this out of here because it's so pretty, like packaged up and stuff. We're going on vacation. I know I keep mentioning it to Jamaica, but it's already packaged up. Like I could just throw this in my bag. Fairseas is the brand. This retails for $44. It looks like there are two options. This one and then one with navy stripes instead of this tan. It says it's made sustainably out of certified organic cotton, which would be nice and soft. So this is the last thing in my box, and I've seen in every box that I've previewed on their website, you get some sort of like 5x7 art print. And so this is really cute. Like if you had a cute board, you could like pin these to every time that you get a box, but it's so summery. The other side is a postcard if you wanted to send it to someone. All right, so that's a wrap on this part. Hopefully you'll try out Causebox. I think it's great that most of these products have some sort of like give back or help different communities kind of get back on their feet from different disasters and stuff like that. So as I said, description box will be a direct link to sign up plus a discount code 20% off. If you've tried Causebox, if you love these products, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's get back to the video. So we've made it. We're about to get out. I don't think that traditional crop tops are the best for me, but I do want to try to find some like cute knotted in the front or knotted on the side tops because I have those mom jeans, and then I've got those black joggers, those green joggers. So I want just different colors because all I have right now is that one white top. I do know, I saw at Walmart, I posted some pictures on my Facebook page. Walmart has some really cute crop tops, or knotted tops, I should say, that are all different colors and stuff. So I know the price of those. So that's a good comparison. I believe they were like $14.97 or something like that. So I know that going into RUE21. So if they're cheaper here, we'll get them. If not, we're going to wait and go to Walmart. So this is the plus size side, but they make us go in over here. So we'll just walk over to our side. Oh my gosh, how cute. I have that Nickelodeon shirt though that I've never worn, so let's not. These black cutoff shorts are really cute. So maybe we'll see if we can find these in my size because I could always use a pair of these in the summertime. There's a 22, we'll grab it. Here's a couple of cropped shirts. Okay, so fun fact, I tried to cut my own shirt this morning, it didn't work. So maybe we'll try something like this just to wear with like those mom jeans. What do we think? We're gonna try it. So I don't see the like crop tops or those like knotted tops that I saw on the website. So it seems they do have quite a bit more plus size on their website. But they are having a big sale right now. Mix and match. Buy one, get one 50% off jeans. I don't need jeans. So I think we're just gonna grab a bunch of shorts and maybe some cute tops. I did see these over here are $5. Okay, I'm not so sure that this is the most flattering outfit. This top is really comfortable. Like, I could sleep in this, and it's cropped. Okay, so these are just high-waisted, those black denim shorts. They have some distressing on them. The distressing comes a little bit high for me, but these feel really comfortable. I have another pair of black I want to say I got them from here. I may have gotten them from like Charlotte Russe, but they fit really well too. So I do like them, and I like that they're a little bit shorter. So these could be something to get just to wear for summertime. Not this outfit. But yeah, this top looks way better than the one that I tried to cut this morning. So I grabbed another like cropped type top. This one is a size smaller, so it's a little bit more snug. I liked the bright like fluorescent color. It was also on sale for like $7. I don't like this one as much. I like the ones that are a little bit looser. I think that they look better on me anyways, if they look that great at all. If I even actually wear them. But this one's okay. Like I said, the color's cute. I don't know if it's me. Probably not. Probably not. So these shorts are very short in my opinion, but I really like them actually. They fit really well. They're not high-waisted. I like the little bit of distressing on them. I like the cuff. I like that they're not like tight on my legs. I got these in a size smaller than the black ones I just had on. And I think they're cute for summertime because they are so short. So these might be a yes. I might grab these because they're not snug anywhere. So you could wear them with tops that are a little bit tighter, and I think it would be okay. And I paired it with this top, the only knotted top I was able to find in my size in the plus section. It's like a pink tie-dye. It's okay. It's a little bit snug actually for the size that it is. I believe it's in a 3X. So there you go, my one knot top. I thought this top was kind of cute with like the faux buttons and stuff off the shoulder. I just like pulled my bra straps down. It's really comfortable and very like silky feeling almost. I like this little bit of elastic here. I think it's flattering. It's okay. It's pretty. I don't know. Tell me what y'all think about this. Yay or nay? Okay, this one was way cuter on the hanger. It's see-through. My underwear are gray. I like the blue and white stripes. Y'all know that. I'm into that. I like the thick straps. You can wear a proper bra with it if you wanted to. I don't feel like it's that great a quality, to be honest. Like it doesn't feel that great. It feels a little bit itchy. It's cute. But yeah, you can see straight through it. Okay, this is actually really cute. I love this little bit of cinching in here. I feel like I might be too tall. See, like it's pulling right there? But this would be really cute over a swimsuit, like at the beach or something. It's this really pretty like red, red, pink, and like creamy colored floral. The straps are adjustable. So I kind of really like this. Yeah, picture it over a swimsuit. Okay, this is the very last thing. It's this like peach and white striped jumpsuit. It does have a little cinching in the waist. Same deal though, I feel like it's a little bit short right there. This part I thought was a little cute, a little nice touch. Straps are adjustable. Oh, it's got this little bit of like ruching in the back. So it's okay. I don't feel like this is very flattering. But I like the concept. It's long enough too, which is nice. Okay, we are back in the car. I did make a purchase. Surprise, surprise. All right, so the only thing that I ended up getting are these denim shorts because I'm telling y'all, I've been looking for denim shorts exactly like this. I love that they're not snug, they're not tight on the legs, they have distressing, they're not super high-waisted, and they're short enough. That's like a hard thing for me to find all of those things in one pair of shorts. It's funny that I got these. I should have waited because I've got 5 pair of shorts coming from 5 different brands, like plus size brands, that I'm gonna try for a video. But when I got to the register, these bad boys were on sale for $12. Regular price $28.99. I got them for $12, well, plus tax, so it was like 13 something. So I feel like it wasn't like a splurge, you know, it wasn't like a super expensive pair of shorts. So just for your reference, these are called the mid-rise shorty double roll. I'll try to find them on RUE21's website. Everything that I tried on, if I can find it on their website, I'll link it in the description box down below. But I'm excited for these. I think these are going to be really cute for summertime and for our trip coming up. I need to get that fabric tape. Is that what it's called? I know I've mentioned it before. I need to get it so that I can like secure these so that they don't come unrolled. My total, yeah, $13.20. So there we go. I saved $16.99. So that's a wrap on this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Some other stores that y'all want to see, comment down below. Let me know. It's warm today. It's like 90-something degrees. Okay, that's a wrap. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.